In this video, I will show you how Google Drive can be used to collaborate in the midst of frantic teacher schedules. First, you will need to sign into your account. You can do this by going on google.com and clicking on Sign In. My computer has memorized my username, so I will go ahead and simply click on the username that I would like to access. Remember, your username is the first letter of your first name followed by your last name at nogaleshs.org. The first tool that I will show you is Google Calendar. You can access this by clicking on Apps and selecting Calendar. The calendar will have different viewing options: days, weeks, months, 4 days, or even agenda. I personally prefer month, so I will click on month. In order to create a calendar, you can go ahead and click on My Calendars on the left and click on the icon over here. You can click on Create New Calendar and you will go ahead and see this page. So I will create Algebra 1 2013 2014. If you scroll down, you can go ahead and decide who you want to share this calendar with. I will go ahead and share it with a teacher. Her name will then appear under mine, and I can decide what the sharing settings will be. So for example, I can allow the teacher to make changes and manage the sharing, make changes to events, only see the events, or only see when I am free busy. You can add more people. Now, if you want to delete that person, you can simply click on Delete the trash can icon. Once you are set with the list, you can go ahead and create the calendar, and this will take you back to the main calendar. As you can see, changes have been saved, and the calendar that we just created is on the left-hand side. To add an event, you can simply click on the date and type in the event. So I can say start chapter 9. And in order for the people to see this, I need to make sure this appears on that specific calendar. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click on Create. And then I can do that for the next day. So section 9.2, and then select the Algebra 1 calendar. And then go ahead and click Create. Another tool to use in order to collaborate is Google Drive itself. If this is your first time using Google Drive, your page right here might be different from mine. As you can see, I have several folders already. To create a document, you will need to click on Create on the left-hand side and select Document. As you can see, there are other files that can be picked from, but we will go ahead and focus on Document. The first things to do once your document is open is to title it so that you don't end up with untitled document in your drive. Click on OK, and your document is created. So I will type the title, and you can go ahead and type some more. Now, if another person is working on the document from a different room, you will see the live changes that that person is making, and you will be able to collaborate at the same time. At the top, you can see that all changes saved are done automatically, so you don't have to worry about saving and saving. In order to share this document, you can do click on the share button at the top right page, and you will see that there is a list of people who can access this document. You can share the document by sharing the link, or you can invite people to join the conversation. Now on the right hand side, you can see that I can allow the person to edit, to comment, or to view. So I will allow the person to edit. You can also notify the person that they have those privileges by sending a little message through email. If you don't want that to happen, you just unclick that and then go ahead and click on share and save. So now the teacher appears in the list, and you can go ahead and keep adding people. Once you are done, you can click on done, and that document will be saved in that person's drive. To know where that document is saved, you can go ahead and click on drive on the left hand icon, and as you can see, the document is right here. Now, as you're going through this video, you might be thinking, I don't have time to check whether a person has added onto a document or made changes. Now, on the right hand side, there is an activity stream that you can access that will tell you what has been done to the document or who has added to the folder, and this can be accessed by clicking on the I button. Now mine is already showing, but if it were not here, you would click on it and you would see the activity stream on the right hand side. I hope this video encouraged you to look into Google Drive and use it for collaboration. Thank you.